After listening to this video, you will understand content creating.
I used to be stuck at 500 views on every video, posting daily, burning out.
Every video I post gets stuck in this view jail. It feels like no one ever sees my content. The platform first shows my video to a small, random audience of about 200 people. It doesn't know who the video is for yet. The algorithm can't watch my video, but it can read the metadata. My title, description, and hashtags, because the first viewers engaged well. The algorithm pushed it to a larger test audience, and this is the final step, the For You page. The algorithm is now pushing my video to thousands of people.
Tired of the 200 view jail? Break free forever. In 2 weeks, your friends won't believe your results. Become an adored online sensation on TikTok and beyond. An in-depth exploration of content creation, algorithmic behavior, cross-platform strategy, audience targeting, SEO, and long-term growth. The reality of the view jail in modern social media. Key points. The concept of view jail is not a myth. It's a real phenomenon experienced by content creators across platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. It refers to the initial testing phase where your video is shown to a limited audience, typically 200 or 500 viewers, before being judged for broader distribution. This process is governed by AI-driven algorithms, not human moderators. Every video you post goes through a sample audience test of approximately 20 accounts, of approximately 200 accounts. If engagement metrics are good, it moves to the next tier. If not, it gets stuck, what we call the view jail. Metadata is the backbone of algorithmic decisions. It includes language, hashtags, captions, engagement behavior, viewer retention, tags and mentions. The AI analyzes all these elements to determine whether your video should be promoted or suppressed. The system is region aware and niche specific. It pushes content based on relevance rather than randomness. Understanding the algorithm isn't just about views. It's about understanding how metadata tells the story of who your audience is and what they want to see. 3. The 200 view jail, why it happens and how to break free. Key points. Every new video starts with a test audience of 200 users. If the video performs well, high watch time, likes, comments, shares, it moves to the next stage, 500 viewers. Failure at this stage results in being stuck at 200 views. Reasons for failure include poor targeting, lack of metadata optimization, low engagement from early viewers. Strategies to escape. Hook within the first 3 seconds. Use strong keywords in titles and captions. Include relevant hashtags. Tag niche-aligned accounts. Ensure audio is trending or relevant. Post during peak hours for your target audience. If your comedic video lands in front of a football fan base, it won't perform. The algorithm will learn that mismatch and keep you locked in view jail. 4. The 500 view jail, when you're not close, but not there yet. Key points. Passing the 200 view threshold leads to a second test audience of 500 viewers. At this stage, the algorithm looks more closely at retention rate, average watch time, click-through rate, shares versus swipes away. Failing here means the video won't reach the For You page, FYP. Tips to push through. Add visual variety, text, overlays, B-roll, voiceovers. Make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching. Keep the hook strong and consistent throughout. Key snippet, retention is everything. If people are watching your video all the way through, even just 30 seconds, you've got a shot at breaking out. 5. Breaking into the For You page, FYP, the holy grail of virality. Once you pass 500 views, your video enters the FYP, where millions of users consume content daily. The FYP is segmented into regional FYPs, niche-based FYPs, and global FYPs. Each has its own rules and thresholds for entry. Examples. A farming video might go viral among agricultural enthusiasts worldwide. A travel vlog could trend on the New York City FYP. A prank video might dominate the global comedy FYP. Key snippet. Being on the FYP doesn't mean infinite views. It means you've entered a space where your video can find its true audience.